Hi everyone, as promised, here is my video regarding sunflower microgreens. If you're interested in growing different types of microgreens, then you'll find the link here and in the description box below. Here are the sunflower shoots which I planted last week. Today I'm going to share with you when is the right time to harvest sunflower shoots or sunflower microgreens. Here you are seeing the first set of leaves. You still need to wait until the next set of leaves develop. So wait until you have around 4 to 5 leaves. And that is when you start harvesting the sunflower shoots. You can still get away with another couple of days before harvesting, but please do not wait for it to mature, as the shoots will become bitter and not tasty. When you harvest the shoots young, they are packed with vitamins and minerals and taste very nutty. Once you have about 4 to 5 leaves on your sunflower shoots, it's time to harvest them. All you do is just pinch them as I'm doing, or use scissors, and that's it. You can use sunflower shoots in your salad, sandwiches, smoothies, omelette, whatever you desire to use them in. So go ahead and plant some sunflower seeds and let them sprout and use the microgreens in your cooking. Here is a close-up of a sunflower shoot.